All right, so this is how you edit the corporate events presentation. So this is a PowerPoint presentation file. It's editable, so it is composed of 19 slides. So first, um, this is the title slide, so you can edit the main title. So you can put in your company name here, like for example, ABC Company. So you can type in ABC com Company like that. So yeah, it's editable. Now, if you want to change the logo, you can zoom in. By the way, you can zoom in using your keyboard. Press Control and then the scroll of your mouse, and then you can zoom in at, or you can use the slider here, the zoom slider here. Like you want to zoom out or zoom in like that. Now, as you can see, these objects, some of them are grouped into one. Like for this one, it's grouped into one. It means that it's made up of text box. It's made up of the logo. So I just combined them, put them together to form this object. So for you to be able to edit that, you need to click on the object. So once you click on that, of course, you're choosing the entire group. You need to click it again. Make sure that you are, this one. You make sure that you can see the cursor. That's the time that you can edit it like that. For the logo, you have to click on the logo and you need to see that circles around the logo. It means that it's chosen or it's selected. So you have to hover your mouse and to or over the circle and then right click and then change picture device, and you can choose any logo that you want. All right. So for example, we're gonna change it to this one. So see, it's already changed. Let's undo. So that's how you say. That's how you change the picture. Now um for the next slide, of course, if you're going to um replace the hosts, this one, all you need to do is to click that again, and then when you see these circles around, I mean, that's the time that you can right click, just hover your mouse to one of the circle like this, and then right click, change picture device. All right, so that's how you change it. But be careful in clicking, because for example, you click that. If you click that way, for example, this one, when you drag it, you can see that you're actually selecting this object, not the photo, like that. See? So be careful. You have to find that rectangle, and then when you found it, then that's the time that you can change it. So let's change this photo. Hover to any of the circle. Let's right click on that and then change picture, then device. For example, you have chosen this one. So the photo is not doesn't have transparent background, so you can remove the background by going to the picture format and then remove background there. But you see, it removed the head and other parts of the body, so you need to click the mark areas to keep and then drag it to the area you want to keep there. A little bit of his hair, this part, I want to keep them, then this one. There. Click anywhere and then boom, that's it. So that's how you do it. Now let's undo that. So there. Now if let's move to the second slide. If you want to replace this, again, be careful. Same thing that I've told you earlier. When you click that, it doesn't mean that you've already clicked the photo. See, it means that you're actually selecting the entire group. Remember, it's made up of several objects grouped into one. So you have to click. Oops, this one I'm not clicking the photo. Can you click this one? It means I'm clicking this one. So you have to find the area like that. So it means I'm choosing the photo already. So you hover your mouse to any of the circle, then right click, change picture, this device. So for example, this one. There. You don't need to remove the background because yeah. The removing of background is only applicable to this one, but for this one, you don't need to. It's already formatted that way. So that's how you replace it. Let's undo that. Let's proceed. Of course, it's editing the title. It's easy. You just have to click on the text box and edit that. Let's move on to this one. So same thing. If you want to replace the photo, you have to. When you click it, it doesn't mean that you can, replace it right away. You need to click it again like that. Be careful when you click here side. It's you're choosing this one, so you need to really find that spot there. You see that circle? Then that's the time that you can hover your mouse over. You can actually right click here, but it's better if you hover on top of the circle and then right click and then change picture. That way you can surely replace it with any of the picture that you have. So that's it. What else? Now there are sounds, sounds. When you zoom out, you can see this sound icon. That's the sound of each slide. So we can play that. You can adjust the volume. You can adjust the volume like that. You can make it higher. Or you can right click and trim. Like you want to trim or cut it. You want to start here. You can just drag it like that. And then, of course, if you want to remove that, you can just select that and then click delete on your keyboard like this. So it's already removed. Let's undo. Now, if you want to replace that, just insert, the menu here, insert, and then go here, audio. Of course, you have video if you want to insert the video, or if you want to insert music or audio, to click on audio. Audio on my PC. Say, for instance, this one. See, you are going to see this icon. You have to drag it beside so that it will not be seen on your slide. It's gonna be like awkward if there's something like here, right? When you click on slideshow. So that's how you add audio. Now, it's not gonna play automatically, so you need to click on animation and then click on that and look for that here. So here it's highlighted, it's selected here. So that means this is the sound and it's not gonna play automatically because it's on click here on top. So you need to click it, choose with previous so that when you click slideshow, it will automatically play. All right, that's how you do. That's how you, if you wanna edit the sound. I think that's it. All right.